If you're looking for a high-quality ice cream maker that is versatile, easy to use and makes delicious treats in minimal time, the Cuisinart ice cream maker machine is an excellent choice. Here are some of the features and benefits of this ice cream maker. Fully automatic. The Cuisinart ice cream maker machine is fully automatic, which means you can turn ingredients into a delicious and healthy frozen treat with no fuss and no mess. Simply add your ingredients, turn on the machine, and let it do the rest. Double-insulated freezer bowl. The machine comes with a double-insulated freezer bowl that eliminates the need for ice, making it easy to use and clean. The bowl can hold up to 1.5 quarts of ice cream, sorbet, or frozen yogurt, and it can make a batch of frozen treats in just 20 to 25 minutes. Self-freezing capability. One of the best features of the Cuisinart ice cream maker machine is its self-freezing capability. You don't need to pre-freeze the bowl before use, which means you can make ice cream whenever you want without having to plan ahead. Large ingredient spout. The machine also has a large ingredient spout, which makes it easy to add your favorite mix-ins like chocolate chips, nuts, or fruit. Easy to clean. The freezer bowl, mixing paddle, and lid are all removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, with its compact size, it won't take up too much space in your dishwasher. Recipe book included. To get you started, the Cuisinart ice cream maker machine comes with a recipe book featuring dozens of recipes for ice cream, gelato, sorbet, frozen yogurt, and more. Versatile. The Cuisinart ice cream maker machine is versatile enough to handle a broad range of frozen treats, including ice cream, sorbet, frozen yogurt, and gelato. Two kneading paddles allow you to switch seamlessly between ice cream and gelato. In summary, the Cuisinart ice cream maker machine is a great investment for anyone who loves homemade frozen treats. Its compact size, self-freezing capability, and easy-to-clean design make it a convenient and practical addition to any kitchen. Plus, with its sleek stainless steel housing, it will look great on your countertop. Don't settle for store-bought ice cream when you can make your own delicious frozen treats with the Cuisinart ice cream maker machine. If you're looking for a way to make delicious, homemade ice cream, sorbet, or frozen yogurt, the Cuisinart ice cream maker machine is the perfect appliance for you. Order yours today.